All right, gang, we picked up a brand new set of Ramekins that absolutely love. Wanted to show them off, tell you about them a little bit, see if they will fit for whatever you are looking for. These are made by Bruntmor. These are a matte black ceramic Ramekin. A few reasons why we picked these out over others is because they are ceramic. One of the things we were looking for is not just something that we could put some dipping sauces in, which yes, these obviously they're 4 ounces or so, would make great spot for dipping sauces and things, but we also wanted them to be able to be used in the oven, to be able to be used in the microwave, to be able to be used in a freezer environment, to be able to be used or thrown into the dishwasher when you are done with them and to be washed that way. And that's where these ceramic ones come in. Again, oven safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, food safe items. Plus, they're stylish. They're matte black, they look great, hold a decent amount. These aren't the teeny tiny little ones. These hold a decent amount. It says 4 ounces, but you can get quite a bit in these. Now, the one thing about this that really threw me off is actually we ordered the 6-pack of these, and yes, it is a 6-pack that we received, but the box is mislabeled. It says it is a set of 4, but actually does have 6 Ramekins inside. So don't let that throw you off if you order these. Overall, if you're looking for a good set of Ramekins, whether it's for dipping sauces or to keep different items for like a charcuterie table or charcuterie board in, if you're looking for something that you can bake in, man, I think these are the way to go. Check them out. They're made by Bruntmor.